When should you post in Snapchat for maximum results? Snapchat isn't your normal social media platform. The content of Snapchat isn't organized in the order that it was posted. That means there isn't a good time or a bad time to send snaps. What you post stays there for the next 24 hours, and eventually your friends will see it. They know it lasts for 24 hours, so they will make sure to see it in the very same day you send them the snap. The most common two ways your friends will take a look at your snaps is if you send the snap directly to them. They also see them if you send your snaps to My Story, and they decide to hang out a little bit in the story screen. At any moment of the day when your friends log into their Snapchat feed and see the snap you sent them, they will see it, and they will tap on it. At any moment of the day that your friends log into their story screen, they will see your story as well, so there is not a specific time of the day to post. Still, there is an important point of view to be aware of in this matter. The large majority of Snapchat users are middle school, high school, and college students, so most probably they will have time to view stuff at night once they are free to do so. They might quickly open Snapchat to create their stories during the day. When checking other people's stories, they generally like to see it once the day is done, so they can see the whole story and not a few snaps in the middle of the morning. The strategy you can use is posting regularly to keep your content near the top of the stories feed, just in case people want to see what your story of the day will talk about. Snapchat has no algorithm, so your stories are always at the top. Snapchat is about in-the-moment connections. Your success is all about what you're posting. If your content is good, it will get engagement no matter what time you post. It really is that simple. You should focus on creating and posting great content, not when you're putting it out there. Remember, there is no perfect time, but you can do a custom testing plan for your specific situation. If you would like to find out the best time to post for maximum results to your specific list of friends, you can create an experiment and see how they react. Make a plan for each day and what time to post to see for yourself.